Alright, so I've been putting this thing off for a really long time. I've had this thing for a few years, no? Maybe over a year. It's been a while. It's been sitting in my garage doing pretty much nothing because I just haven't had a chance to get around to it. Well, maybe I have, I just haven't felt like it, but today I decided to open it up, clean it out some, and actually test it. I've never ran this before, so I have my converter here that converts 110 into 220 volts. This is a Hoover Jr. Model 1354A dirt searcher, which is a machine I wanted for a long time, so I was happy to finally get it. It's gonna need some work, like there's a bit of stuff here that needs to be taken care of, and this is broken, unfortunately, but I'm sure I can figure something out for that. There's no belt in here because the old belt was dry rotted really badly. So anyway, not much else to say except let's just turn it on. I say it sounds pretty healthy. I don't hear anything really wrong with it. This is just really annoying. This is broken. Really wish it weren't. But with it being a relatively weak plastic, I mean, I guess that's to be expected. Then again, it's old. It could be brittle from age. But sounds healthy to me. Anyway, thanks for watching, and sooner or later I'll get this thing finished up and actually in working order that I could vacuum with. So